Assalamu alaikum everybody. Hello everybody. How's everybody doing? Welcome to a new vlog, a weekly vlog. I hope you enjoy joining me for a couple of days, guys. Today I'm just starting my morning off making breakfast, just making some mushy peas with that egg and gluten-free bread. And our plans are today, me and my niece, we're going to my dad's grave. So we're just going to get some flowers, give my dad's grave a bit of a clean, and just want to enjoy the peaceful environment. It's like, because it is really quiet there, so it's quite peaceful, and the weather's dry today so far, so I thought, why not just go to the grave and spend some time with dad. I know you guys probably feel the same, whose loved ones have passed away and they've go to the grave, and the peace that you get, guys, so serene. But obviously that's the reality, isn't it, guys? That's the only reality that we are kind of sure about. One day you've got to go, but you know, I'm not trying to depress you guys, but that's just reality. But yeah, so my name is Nazima. If you're new here, please like and subscribe to my channel if this is your kind of thing. I'll keep you posted as I go along in the vlog, guys. And please do comment where you're watching from. I really appreciate everything that you're doing for me, guys. You're supporting me and it means a lot to me. Please do comment what you would like to watch and what do you enjoy watching, and what do you think of my vlogs, if they're any good or not. But yeah, thank you so much, guys.
Everything in this world is temporary. Life changes, people come and go, and seasons never last. So no matter what you're going through right now, always remember that your present situation is not your final destination. Don't give up. Put your hope in God, and you will overcome it all.
Guys, this is later on in the evening. As you seen earlier, obviously we went for lunch after going to my dad's grave. I was going to cook something, and then I was like, oh, I've got nothing in the fridge, and then I was too tired to go to the grocery shop, so I thought, okay, let's see what I've got. So I had tiny bit of mince in the freezer left that had to be used up. I had some frozen peas, I had some potatoes that were going off, so I thought, okay, why don't I just cook something like vegetables and mince. So that's what I'm doing, guys. Just wanted to have something warm and really cozy evening at home. Nothing special, guys. Any questions on this recipe, please write in the comments below. Just a garden update, guys. In my last vlog I did show you the state of the garden. It really needed doing. My gardener did come yesterday, and he's kind of like kindly sorted out my garden. It really did it badly because obviously since winter it hasn't been done, so it does look a lot better, but I am going to add some colour into it. I am going to add some flowers in my little pots as well. So yeah, I just had it all cleaned up, grass done, and my herbs, I'm gonna get some more herbs, but he did put some herbs in there already, like my tomatoes and cucumber. I just need to add some tags into these pots. This has got tomatoes. Yeah, that's already got a tag in anyway, but I'm just gonna add some more tags into this one. Oh, this is lettuce anyway, and I've got some I've got another one for cucumber. I've got some coriander and peppers. I'm just gonna add some more tags into that, but yeah, it's looking okay. I'm just gonna add some more flowers into these pots. As you can see, I had some last year, but they're all kind of dead now, so I need to add some more in just for some more color in the garden. So yeah, so this is how my garden's looking, guys.